Giving this 59 T-Bird that hasn't been driven in 2 years just a little bit of lot driving for you. We wouldn't recommend trying to drive it anywhere. We would recommend trailering it. But up till 2 years ago, the owner drove it every Sunday grocery shopping. So, you know, at that time it was roadworthy. But we would recommend that you give it a thorough going over before attempting to really drive it anywhere. But this is to show you that you got a motor that runs and transmission that goes in forward and reverse, and the basics are there. Unusually solid body. We did see a little corrosion under the hood, you know, towards the front, which they just about all have, but the body on the sides everywhere that we'll take more pictures in detail appears to be quite solid. Okay, over and out.